Please look at the chat box, ma. I shared one drive link. So please upload your last week experiment in the drive. So last week, as I was not here. So please upload the previous last week experiment in the drive first, all of you. Did anyone in the campus, ma, today? Morning, I went to your class. You people are not there. Anyone in the campus, ma, from our class today? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Sir? Sir? Excuse me, sir.
Now, please upload last week experiment in the share drive first. So within 10 minutes, I think you are. But you have to write in your notebook and then you have to scan it and upload. Anyway, you will get the soft copy from hard copy, right? It's not like copying the information into the Word document. It's like writing in your observation.
Should we, we maintain record, sir?
So after completion, you have to scan it and upload. Is it clear, ma? Number 3. Not exactly record book, ma. It's a white papers notebook, or you can write it on A4 papers, or you maintain a fresh book. That's fine. That's good. If you're able to maintain the white notebook, that's good. So we will consider it as a record book only. No need to buy the same book from the stores like earlier. First upload last week of experiment in the drive now. I'm sharing it again.
Sir, sir, can we submit before 5?
Sir, can you give some time, sir? Sir, sir, can you give some time? Sir,
One minute, no? Tell me, ma, my speaker is off mode. Number 3.
సార్ కొంచెం టైం ఇస్తారా సార్? అంటే లాస్ట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ చేసాము బట్ లైక్ రాయలేదు సార్.
Okay, okay. So today we'll continue with third experiment. I will share another try for experiment number 3. Don't load your folders into the same. For experiment 3, I will share another one. Okay.
ఓకే సార్. సార్ ఒక 7 వరకు అట్లా
Yeah.
విల్ సబ్మిట్ బోత్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్స్ బై 7 సార్.
Yes, yes, fine. But you should upload your documents into the concerned folder only.
Yeah, okay sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, fine, fine. So next one, 1 minute more. Now I shared the link for experiment number 3, ma. Don't mix it up, ma. So the next experiment is star topology. I'll share it in I share the link for today's experiment. Here you have to click this star topology. The aim to construct star topology theory, you know already. There are two things: peer-to-peer and primary, secondary. So these are the few things about advantage as well as disadvantage of star topology. As you know already, star topology consists of one central controller, we will call it as hub. So all the devices which are connected to the central controller are hub. So if any device wants to communicate, they have to communicate through this hub only. Okay. So here every node has a dedicated link to the central controller hub. So the theory you have to note down, aim theory, then pretest if you want, you can go through it. Okay, to create a star topology, we require central networking device through the topology with highest reliability, mesh topology like that. If you want to go through it, then procedure. So the aim is to create the start topology to perform the experiment, follow the below steps. So as similar to the previous example, we are going to see this one. Let us go to the simulation. Click here for simulation. 1 minute. So here, this is the router or central controller. Let us consider 4 nodes in this, and you can connect this to the central controller from this point to this point. So then evaluate. Here what happens? 1 minute, reset. So here look at the message like computers are controlling star topology. So this screenshot you need to keep in your observation. So you can try for more number of days also, and try to upload everything. And by today 7 o'clock, can anybody came to college today from our section, ma? Because what happened is from morning 9 o'clock I went to your class. No one is there. I came back to my cabin and I took my class, right? But I got a call from the computer science department. They are mentioning that they are asking me why you are not taking the class in the class itself. Did anybody present in the class, ma, in our class morning? So I went to class and I came back. Did anyone in the campus today from our class? Please respond, ma. I want the details, right? Hello, roll number 3.
Sir, I didn't come to college, sir, today.
Okay, fine. I am asking about others.
No idea, sir.
Why the people are not responding? Anyway, at least 5 or 6 people may come, like, may came to the college, right? I think at least. Okay, fine. You carry on. So you finished it and upload now.